Legends of Learning presents the Bridge the Fraction game. This is a math game that makes learning about adding and subtracting fractions fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, help Mr. Otter build the bridge from the components of the fractional bridge that he has. Use the mouse to click on the bridge fraction on the container to move and set them up. Click the bridge fraction on the river to put them down or to remove them to make sure there is the right amount of bridge construction parts to complete the bridge. Read more about math and learn to add and subtract numbers to solve math problems. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.